Mercy sees all.
Hi everyone, Bruce here. Merci de passer tout le monde. We're going to see beside Eratus crater, just on the surface, connections. Again, everywhere on the surface. Like I was saying in the last video, it really does look like a framing. Got some nice, look at this one. Look at those areas. That area in particular, over the arrow. Look at all the white objects. Notice that there are many lines going to and from them, different heights and different shapes of some of these objects. Well, you have these like yards, if you want. Yards seen from here, of course, but I mean, listen, that's pretty big. It's over 5, 6, 700 kilometers for sure, the whole area. So you wonder, are these massive mining areas, archaeological areas? Who knows? Did an alien go to the moon to do their own archaeological finds, and that's what we see they're doing there? Maybe they're not living there. Maybe they're excavating it. Who knows? But it's interesting, right? It's interesting to have some theories to ponder on, of course, and that's just normal. I think it's very normal. People say we hear some crazy theories. Well, let me tell you, finding out that there's someone or something up there on the moon, nothing's crazy anymore. This is Merci on the left. You see that big white patch, and look to the right of Merci. I love it. Seeing the surface without any manipulation and seeing all the jagged high levels and cliffs, it's something that we don't see, right? Because what I believe that haze or smoke on the surface is creating one heck of a flat carpet on the surface. Now add some light and some refraction of light onto that, and it's really, really hard, of course, to see the surface. Now, how many times have I showed this one? I mean, it's serious, and I want people to see and understand how they are really aligned from crater to crater. This isn't just a crater leaking ejecta, I believe. It's really something on the surface that you can actually see that is aligned and connected to some other areas. Light sources that can be seen with pipes or long lines leaving it with hazes of electrical, very colorful fields. Here's a view of the high ridges behind Sinus Iridum. I'm going to show them a lot better than I did the other day, and I hope you appreciate them. To get an idea, now this is just the beginning. I did this with other areas. We'll get in always closer and closer as we advance through the years, but it's the first signs of at least being able to see the actual object and structuring of the surface of the moon, where Sinus Iridum meets that high cliff at the back, just west of Bienvenue crater. There was talk in 2013 of China landing a rover inside of the circle there, Sinus Iridum. It's near impossible to differentiate the surface with the structures themselves. They have a white reflective surface. They also share the same reflectivity as the surface of the moon itself. seeing these massive lines go over this massive rectangle and light, and I mean the features of the surface, where we've heard that they were featureless, and seeing this, what does it leave you to believe? They say the parallax, due to the libration, it's a celestial moving object, and it is seen from another celestial moving object here on Earth from an astronomer, me, filming the moon. Therefore, they say that there's an optical illusion, that we see high towering objects laying down instead of seeing them standing up. And I believe that atmosphere, the smokes and hazes, clouds, natural or not, whatever they may be, they're causing us to see a flat surface, almost featureless. But the moon is not featureless. The moon is ours to discover together, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms.
Aliens are moon. Aliens are moon. And they're mining really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are moon. Aliens are moon. They're spying really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are moon. Aliens are moon. Aliens are my Nancy, baby, coming soon. Baby, coming soon.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.
For anything and everything, for whatever the reason you want to send me something, P.O. Box 341 in Valleyfield, Quebec. The postal code is J6S4V6. My name is Bruce Warts.